A little trick and the chicken turned into a 5-star restaurant dish. Start by cutting 3 chicken breasts. To do this, use the oven rack as a guide and make shallow cuts on them just like I'm doing. They should look like this. Then, in a large bowl, add 80 milliliters of olive oil, 40 milliliters of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, grate 2 cloves of garlic. Add the chicken breasts and mix well to combine. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let them marinate for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, cut 3 red onions, cut them in half and into thin strips just like I'm doing, and set aside. Also cut 3 ripe tomatoes. Cut them into round slices. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Then, cut 150 grams of fresh mushrooms. Cut them into strips and set aside. Now, in a medium baking dish, add all the onion we cut earlier, lining the entire bottom. Next, cover them with the mushrooms. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. Then add the tomato slices, and finally add the seasoned chicken. Take to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 40 minutes. But keep an eye out, as this time may vary depending on the power of your oven. After this time has passed, add 150 grams of grated mozzarella cheese on top of the chicken breasts. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. Put everything back in the oven and bake until the cheese melts. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.